welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to automate your WhatsApp link in a professional way. In today's time, we know how business on WhatsApp is so stressful, replying to customers and all those stuff. We know how stressful it is. So I've come up with this idea that you can reply your customers even when you are not around on your WhatsApp, even when you are not on your WhatsApp. So this will really help a lot of people to reply their customers, especially people that want to organize classes, want to sell products, that you can reply your customers without you being online. Okay, so we are going to get started. First, I'm going to use business WhatsApp to generate our link, our custom link. Okay, so first you open your WhatsApp, your business WhatsApp. Yes, business WhatsApp. Open your business WhatsApp. Then come here. Click on setting. Then when you click on setting, you come to this scan me. You're going to scan me. You come here, right? Just follow me step by step. You will get this right. So when you get here, you come to edit. When you get to edit, you turn on this message here. Turn it on. Once you turn it on, yes, it's on now. You come to here, click on this edit icon, and then click on it. Edit what you want. For example, you want to say hi or hello. Hello sir, I want to register for your class. This message is the message that when somebody click on your link, click on the link, that is what will show. Like when somebody click on your link, on your WhatsApp link, once you finish generating, that is what will automatically, that is what the person will send to you as the person is clicking on the link. So now let's copy the link. The link we have copied now, just click here, or you can share as well. You can share it here. So I've copied the link now. So now let's paste it and see. Let me open my normal WhatsApp. Okay, then okay, let me paste it here. Okay, now let's click on it and see what will happen. Okay, now we are clicking on it. You can now see, hello sir, I want to register for your class. You can now see that it has the message I type on it, the message I store on it is the one appearing. You can now see. So now how can we now make an auto reply to this message that the customer is sending to you? Now you have generated your link, and once you want the customer, you want it to be like when the customer sends you this message, and automatically the WhatsApp will reply. How will this happen? It will be with the help of this application. This application is All Auto Respond. All Auto Respond is on Play Store. You can get it on Play Store, and I also drop the link on this video. the description of this video so that you can get it there. It's on Play Store. You can also as well get it on Play Store. So now I'm going to open our auto response. We are going to open our auto response. Now let's add. These ones are the ones I've done already. So now click on here, click on this plus icon, click on it. Then now we are going to copy the message. We are going to copy this message because this is the message you want it to automate for you. You want it an auto reply. So you are going to copy this message. Copy the message. Come to here. This receive. Come to here. This place. This space. And paste it. That is the receive. That is the message you receive often. This place is meaning the message people will send to you. That's the message. So now we have different options. This whole is how you want it, how you want your auto reply to be. Do you want it to be all like all the messages they send to you it will reply? Do you want exact match? Like exact match means the same message the person sent is the one it will automate. Do you want content? That means anyone that just any message that enter it will reply, start with and all those stuff. So now we are going to choose exact because we want the auto reply to be on this message the person will send. So now we are going to reply. The person said, "Hello sir, I want to register for your class." You now reply as, "Welcome. Welcome. Save my contact as Max. UK Nation. Save my contact as." So I'm just putting that. So now that is the reply message that the as Max UK Nation. Send done when you have finished saving my contact. Okay, that is what it will reply. So now we are going to here is the delay in second. How do you want it to delay? We are going to use 1 second. 0 second will be too fast and it will not look real. So we are going to use 1 second. So here, that is that. I think that's all. Then you click on this icon here. No, you click on this icon here. Sorry, click on this icon here. Once you click on it, okay, please select the application. Sorry, you come here. That is here. This place. Click on it. Then select the application you want your automation to happen. Like you want to, you can see it has almost all the social media, and it has message, Ayoba, Discord, it has Telegram and all those stuff. So now we are going to use business WhatsApp. So click on OK, and now don't mind this ad. it has saved. It says message saved successful. Okay, it has been added now. So we are now going to, it has been added now. Let me say send yes because I've done this send done before, so I don't want it to interface with the other one that I did. So let me say send yes. Okay, send yes. Okay, it's done now. Okay, so it's done now. I'm going to add a reply message to that send yes, that when the person sends yes, it will now automatically reply the person with another thing. So now I'm going to type here yes. So come to what do you want to reply the person. It says congratulations. You are now registered. That is what I just want to come here. 1 second. Okay, select the app, select business WhatsApp. I hope you are following. It's simple. It's very simple. Okay, so now we are going to test our automation. Come to here, come here, open, then come to test reply rule. This test reply rule, then to test, just put a name there and then send, so that it will take you to the interface. Now I'm going to send the message. I'm going to try with this message. I'm going to copy this message. I hope you are following me. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here, paste the message, and then send and see if it will reply me. You can now see it as reply. Welcome, save my contact, save mine as Mas. Okay, I made a mistake, sorry. It's supposed to be save my contact as Mas UK Nation. Send done. Send done. Once you are ready. I didn't know. So now you remember we said yes. So if I send yes now, you can now see congratulations, you are now registered. That is that. So now let me show you what I mean. So now we have set up our automation. Now let's go to our WhatsApp. I want to click on this link. Click on the link. I'm sending it to. You can now see it as reply. Save. Now I will now send yes, because I've saved. Maybe because the customer have saved, he now send yes because it said send yes. I now send yes. I now see it as reply. So it is as easy as that. You can as well take it to Facebook if you want to do something on Facebook. Copy this link. You want to do an advert to your class on Facebook, just copy the link, go to Facebook, copy the link, go to Facebook, post it. Don't want to, I just want to test. Okay. So now if somebody from Facebook click on this, see what will happen. You can now see it's telling us to chat with. So if now I want to chat with, you can now see it said, hello sir, I want to register for your class, and send the message. Okay, sorry, it's because I'm the one doing, so it's still on my WhatsApp, so it should happen here. If it should happen on my another WhatsApp. So if I send now, so because we choose that exact content, now the message it will reply will be on the exact. You get it? The message it will reply will be on the exact. Like if you said send Y and what you automate was Y, the message, the automation, the auto response will reply, the person will be in respect to that Y you send, because you choose exact. So now if that you choose something else, like if you choose let me say you choose let me say you choose something like content or all, that means any message that come in, let the reply take over. So that means, yeah, that is, it will just reply any message that come in. Understand? So that is that. Thank you for watching. Please, if this video is of benefit to you, if it is beneficial to you, please give it a thumbs up and like it. And if you want more of this type of video in future, please don't forget to subscribe, so that anytime we upload new videos on social media bundles, monetization and all those stuff, you always benefit from it. Thank you.